Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change your country or region in Google Play. First, let's go to Google. You can do this on your phone too. Search for Google Payments. Payment Center. Click on it. Log into your Google account here. Oh, here it is. This is what I want. Now, go to Settings, where it says Country or Region, click Create New Profile, then New Payment Profile, and hit Continue. Choose your country or region, click Continue, and simply enter your address. Now we'll have a new payment profile with the new country or region. That's it. This has been. See you later.